I think paper money will not run out completely, but it will become less and less common in the future. I think more and more people will use electronic or digital forms of payment, such as credit cards, mobile apps, or cryptocurrencies. These forms of payment are faster, cheaper, more convenient, and more secure than paper money. However, paper money will still be around for some purposes, such as to serve the needs of the unbanked or underbanked population, who do not have access to formal financial institutions or services. Paper money is more accessible and inclusive than electronic or digital money, as it does not require a bank account, a smartphone, or an internet connection. To preserve the sovereignty and autonomy of national governments, who have the authority and power to issue and regulate their own currencies. Paper money is a symbol and a tool of national identity and policy, as it reflects the history, culture, and values of a country, and it enables the government to control the money supply, the inflation rate, and the exchange rate. To protect the privacy and anonymity of individuals, who may not want to reveal their personal or financial information to third parties or authorities. Paper money is more anonymous and confidential than electronic or digital money, as it does not leave a trace or a record of the transactions, and it does not require any identification or verification. As for the world currency in the future, I think that is very hard to predict, as it depends on many factors and uncertainties, such as the economic, political, social, and technological developments and trends in the world. However, I can share with you some of the possible candidates for the world currency in the future, such as the US dollar. The US dollar is currently the most widely used and accepted currency in the world, as it is the official currency of the United States, the largest and most influential economy in the world, and it is also used as a reserve currency, a trade currency, and a reference currency by many other countries and organizations. The US dollar has a strong reputation and a high demand, as it is seen as a safe and stable currency, especially in times of crisis or uncertainty. The euro. The euro is the official currency of the European Union, the second largest and most integrated economy in the world, and it is also used by some other countries and territories that are closely linked to the EU. The euro has a high potential and a high ambition, as it aims to create a single market and a single monetary policy for the EU, and to challenge the dominance of the US dollar in the global financial system. The Chinese yuan. The Chinese yuan is the official currency of China, the second largest and the fastest growing economy in the world, and it is also used by some other countries and regions that are part of China's Belt and Road Initiative, a massive infrastructure and investment project that connects Asia, Europe, and Africa. The Chinese yuan has a high aspiration and a high innovation, as it seeks to expand its international role and influence, and to become the first major currency to adopt a digital version, the eCNY. The special drawing rights. The special drawing rights (SDRs) are a type of international reserve asset created and managed by the International Monetary Fund, IMF, a global financial institution that promotes international cooperation and stability. The SDRs are not a currency, but a basket of 5 major currencies: the US dollar, the euro, the Chinese yuan, the Japanese yen, and the British pound. The SDRs are used as a unit of account and a means of payment by the IMF and some other international organizations. The SDRs have a high diversity and a high neutrality, as they reflect the relative importance and performance of the major economies and currencies in the world, and they are not subject to the policies or interests of any single country or entity. These are some of the possible candidates for the world currency in the future. I hope they help you understand the pros and cons of each option. Thank you for your question and interest. I appreciate your curiosity and enthusiasm.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content from Bing, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Bing loves to see your reactions and interactions and hopes to reach more people with its amazing content.